Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Amid the political crisis in Haryana brought by the withdrawal of support to the Bharatiya Janata Party government by three independent MLAs, former Deputy Chief Minister and Jan Nayak Janata Party Supremo Dushyant Chautala wrote to Governor Bandaru Dattaria on Thursday seeking his urgent intervention in ending the prevailing political deadlock and impose the president's rule if the incumbent was unable to prove its majority in the assembly. In his letter, Dushyant urged the governor to seek a floor test at the earliest and impose president rule if the government failed to prove its majority in the House. In his letter, he wrote, given the developments and the clear stances of the party, that is the JJP, which does not extend its support to the present government and is open to backing any other political party for the government formation, it is evident that the incumbent government no longer commands a majority in the Legislative Assembly. Earlier in the day, the JJP chief renewed offer to the outside support to the Congress in bringing down the incumbent BJP government, saying that the governor is vested with the power to order a floor test, adding that if the government does not have the majority, he should enforce president's rules in the state without wasting a second's time. Speaking to the media, the former deputy CM said the government that was formed 2 months ago is now in a minority after two MLAs who supported them, one from the BJP and other an independent MLA, resigned. Their independent MLAs who were with them also withdrew their consent, their support and conveyed the same to the governor. The JJP has clearly stated that the event of no confidence motion against this government, we will support it. We have also written to the governor clearing our stand. Now the onus is on the Congress to take the step, seek a floor test. They will have to decide if they would want what's necessary in the corner and bring down the government. On May 7, the Haryana government suffered a big jolt after three independent MLAs withdrew support from Naib Singh Saini government, pushing the dissension into a minority. The three MLAs were Randir Gola from Pundri, Dharampal Gondar from Nilokheri and Sombir Singh Sangwan from Chadki Dadri. All of them decided to extend support to the Congress. However, the BJP appeared confident of retaining power, with the former Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar claiming that several leaders of the Congress and the JJP were in touch with his party. The development came amid the Lok Sabha polls and within 2 months after Naib Singh Saini took over as Chief Minister, replacing Khattar. In the House of 90 members, the BJP has 39 MLAs, the Congress 30, the Jan Nayak Janata Party has 10, the Haryana Lok Hit Party has 1 and the Indian National Lok Dal has 1 along with 7 independents. The BJP, which had 41 MLAs initially, were reduced to 39 after the Karnal and Rania seats fell vacant following the resignation of two MLAs. 6 of the 7 independent MLAs support in the incumbent BJP earlier. However, with the 3 independents withdrawing support, the BJP at present has support of only 3 independents and 1 HLP MLA, taking its strength in the assembly to 43 MLAs. All the 10 Lok Sabha seats in the state would go to the polls in the 5th phase, that is on May 25. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.